Hello everyone and welcome to my unboxing of Lehi's First Love first mini album. My dog needs to shut up. And this is actually a really pretty box. Really pretty box. So I think that's cute. You see a little glow. And that's the back. And then the CD is just laying there. At first I was a little turned off by this, but it hasn't been scratched. I've had this for a while. And that's my hair, guys. My hair looks horrible. Anyway, my hair still looks horrible through this lens. So yeah. So, because this is kind of like a softish type paper. I don't know what else to say. So, you see how thin this is? This huge box, and it's the photo book is this thin. But anyway, this is the back. Well, the back of the box, kind of. And this is the photo. This is the track list. Front, the back, the track list. So I love Rose. This is a pretty picture. And then the credits. So thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing, and I fully appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Dislike if you don't like it, and tell me why in the comments. Follow me on Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.